Hey, first graders, Mr. Igo and
Mrs. Walker.
we are going to get started on phonemic awareness. Remember, the very first one we're going to do is rhyming, and they sound the same at the end. Rain, train.
Yes.
Sit, seat. My, try.
Yes.
10, 6.
No.
Rose, job.
No.
Ramp, camp.
Yes.
Mice, nice.
Yes.
Very good. Next one, we are going to do the first sound in the word. First sound in yellow.
Yes.
First sound in robin. First sound in colorful. Garden. Wednesday. Awesome. All right, next, guys, we're going to take the two words and we're going to put them together. Sun, day.
Sunday.
Sideways.
Sideways.
Snowflake.
Snowflake.
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Something.
Something.
Driveway.
Driveway.
Milk. Shake.
Milkshake.
Sandbox.
Sandbox.
Doorbell.
Doorbell.
Backbone.
Backbone.
Next up, we're going to do the last sound in the word. The last sound in the word plug.
G.
Last sound in has. Corn. Brief. Mess. Love. Awesome. Next one, here we go. Whoops. All right, guys. Now we're going to take the word and split it apart. Here we go. Outside.
Outside.
Footprints.
Footprint.
Snowman.
Snowman.
Postcard.
Postcard.
Moonlight.
Moonlight.
Kickstand.
Kickstand.
Sandbox.
Sandbox.
Leadership.
Leadership.
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Lifetime.
Lifetime.
Awesome. Now I'm going to say the word, you're going to repeat the word, and then I'm going to tell you what to add to the end. Lip.
Lip.
Add a stick.
Lipstick.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Add a bean.
Jelly bean.
Any.
Any.
Add time.
Anytime.
Grown.
Grown.
Add up.
Grown up.
Week.
Week.
Add end.
Weekend.
Work.
Work.
Add out.
Workout.
Pony.
Pony.
Add tail.
Ponytail.
Awesome. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to delete that part. Okay? Cardboard.
Cardboard.
Without card.
Board.
Sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
Without side.
Walk.
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper.
Without sand.
Paper.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Without water.
Melon.
Jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
Without bean.
Jelly.
Yardstick.
Yardstick.
Without stick.
Yard.
Moonlight.
Moonlight.
Without light.
Moon.
Goldfish.
Goldfish.
Without fish.
Gold.
Lawnmower.
Lawnmower.
Without mower.
Lawn.
Very good. Here we go. Last one, guys. We have the word softball.
Softball.
We're going to change soft to volley.
Volleyball.
Friday.
Friday.
Change fry to birth.
Birthday.
Lifeboat.
Lifeboat.
Change life to sail.
Sailboat.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Change cup to pan.
Pancake.
Ponytail.
Ponytail.
Change pony to pig.
Pigtail.
Treehouse.
Treehouse.
Change tree to light.
Lighthouse.
Runway.
Runway.
Change run to drive.
Driveway.
Toenails.
Toenail.
Change toe to finger.
Fingernails.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, now we're going to count the words in a sentence and use the same expression as Mr. Igo. That expression changes based on the end mark. All right. Is today your birthday?
Is today your birthday?
4 words in that sentence. The flashlight is on.
The flashlight is on.
Do you like to eat pancakes?
Do you like to eat pancakes?
I will read a book this afternoon.
I will read a book this afternoon.
Ooh, that was 7. Wow, lots of words. Does our classroom have a pet?
Does our classroom have a pet?
All right, guys, that is the end of it for us this week. Have a fantastic weekend.